हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एजू साई। आज हम जो है ना दूसरे राइटर को कवर करेंगे, वन लाइनर्स के क्वेश्चंस को, जो कि हमारा रिवीजन चल रहा है वन लाइनर क्वेश्चंस का। आज हम करेंगे थॉमस हार्डी को एंड सेकंड इज़ हमारा टी.एस. इलियट। इन दो राइटर्स को हम कवर करेंगे आज। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, मेरे चैनल को फॉलो करें और मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहें। चलिए फिर हम अपने फर्स्ट टॉपिक जो हमारा थॉमस हार्डी है उसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। Who classified Wessex novels under the heads novels of characters and environment, romances and fantasies, and novels of ingenuity and experiment? In Hardy, किसने क्लासिफाइड किया है? हार्डी ने। Who has classified Hardy's novel under the heads pastoral tragedies, pastoral comedies, pastoral romances and pastoral extravaganza? किसने क्लासिफाइड किया है हार्डी के नॉवेल्स को? पेस्टोरल ट्रेजेडी, पेस्टोरल कॉमेडी, पेस्टोरल रोमांसेस एंड पेस्टोरल एक्स्ट्रावेगेंसेस को A.C. ब्रैकेट ने क्लासिफाइड किया है। Who fell ill with pleurisy in December 1927 and died in January 1928? कौन है जो 1928 में डाइड हुए? थॉमस हार्डी। Whose funeral became controversy when his executor Sir Sidney Carley Cockerell was insisting for the burial in the Abbey Poets' Corner, while his family and friends wished him to be buried at Stansford in the same grave as his first wife Emma? कौन से राइटर थे जिनकी फ्यूनरल कंट्रोवर्सी बन गया था और उनके सेम ग्रेव में उनको बरिड किया गया था? उनकी वाइफ की ग्रेव थी उसमें। थॉमस हार्डी। Hardy's religious belief the mixture of agnosticism and spiritism. Desperate Remedies 1871 was the result of the inspiration from George Meredith. Which novel is the result of Hardy's courtship with his first wife? This is the only novel that is without the touch of his pessimism. Far from the madding crowd. This was the novel in which Hardy introduced Wessex. It became so popular that Hardy thought of pursuing the literary career and giving up of architectural work. Which novel? कौन सा नोवेल था वो? Far from the madding crowd. This was the novel in which Hardy introduced Wessex. It became so popular that Hardy thought of pursuing the literary career and giving up architectural work. Which novel? कौन सा नोवेल था वो? Far from the madding crowd. What is the subtitle of the Tess of the D'Urbervilles? Tess of the D'Urbervilles का सबटाइटल क्या था? A pure woman faithfully presented. For the frank treatment of sex, Jude the Obscure was often referred to as Jude the Obscure. Who are the hero and heroine of the novel of Jude Obscure? जूड ऑब्सक्योर के नोवेल की कौन हीरो हीरोइन है? जूड फावले एंड स्यू ब्राइडहेड। डिक डेवी एंड फैंसी डे अपीयर इन। डिक डेवी और फैंसी डे किसमें अपीयर हुए? अंडर द ग्रीन वुड ट्री। स्टेफन स्मिथ इज अ यंग आर्किटेक्ट। स्टेफन स्मिथ एक यंग आर्किटेक्ट था। हु फॉल्स इन लव विद एल्फ्रेड, जो एल्फ्रेड से लव करता था। द ब्लू आइड डॉटर ऑफ द विकार, उसकी ब्लू आइड थी विकार की डॉटर की। इन विच नोवेल ऑफ हार्डीज डज ही अपीयर? कौन से नोवेल में हार्डी के अपीयर हुए? अ पेयर ऑफ ब्लू आइज में। बाथशेबा इज द हीरोइन ऑफ बाथशेबा किसकी हीरोइन है? फार फ्रॉम द मैडी क्राउड की। इन द एंड ऑफ द नोवेल बाथशेबा फेल इन लव विथ सर्जेंट रॉय। इस नोवेल के एंड में बाथशेबा सर्जेंट रॉय से लव करती हैं एंड मैरिड हिम, और उससे शादी करती हैं। बट ही डिसर्ट हर। देयर इज वन लवर नेम्ड बॉलवुड हु मर्डर्ड ट्रॉय। जो उसका जो है ना लवर था बॉलवुड, जिसका नाम बॉलवुड था, उसका मर्डर किया था ट्रॉय ने। विद होम फाइनली डज शी मैरी। फाइनली वो किससे मैरिज करती है, किसके साथ करती है? गैब्रियल ओक के साथ। इन दी नोवेल द मेयर ऑफ कास्टरब्रिज देयर इज द हे ट्राउजर हु सेल्स हिज वाइफ सुसैन टू न्यूसन फॉर 5 guineas in a fair held in Baden periods. Later the becomes the mayor find him out. कौन सा है? मेकर हैंचर्ड। In the mayor of Casterbridge, Lucetta Templeman, a Jersey girl, comes to marry Hanchard but marries his rival, who is his rival in love and business. कौन था? डोनाल्ड फारफेयर। Farfree. After the death of Lucetta, Farfree marries. Lucetta की डेथ के बाद फारफेयर किससे मैरी करता है? एलिजाबेथ जेन से। द वेल्थी विडो इन दी वुड लैंडर इज। वेल्थी विडो कौन थी इन द वुडो लैंडर में? पैलिस चार्मिंग। Whose daughter is टेस। टेस किसकी बेटी थी? जॉन डर्वीफील्ड की। Who seduced टेस। टेस को कौन seduce करता है? एलिस। टेस फॉल्स इन लव विद एंजल क्लेयर। टेस एंजल क्लेयर से प्यार करती है। Who wants to marry her। और जिससे शादी करना चाहती है। She wants to tell about the sin before marriage। वो अपनी शादी से पहले का sin बताती है। What does she do। क्या करती है वो बताने के लिए? वो She writes a letter of confession। वो लेटर लिखती है अपना कन्फेशन के। टेस इज अरेस्टेड ऑन द चार्ज ऑफ मर्डर। टेस को अरेस्ट करती है मर्डर के चार्ज में एंड इज अल्टीमेटली सेंटेंस टू डेथ। हु डज शी किल। और उसको तुरंत ही डेथ की सजा देते हैं। और उसने किसका किल किया था? किसका मर्डर किया था? एलिस का। जस्टिस वॉज डन एंड द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ द इमोर्टल्स इन एक्लियन प्रेज हैज एंडेड इज स्पॉट विद टेस। Jude Fowley, a stone mason, wishes to be a scholar. Jude falls in love with a woman of animal passion. Who is she? Jude एनिमल पैशन की औरत उससे लव करता है। कौन है वो? अरेविला डन। जूड द ऑब्सक्योर हैड बीन वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल नोवेल। जूड ऑफ द ऑब्सक्योर एक कंट्रोवर्सी, बहुत ही कंट्रोवर्सी नोवेल है। हार्डली गेव अप नोवेल राइटिंग एन अकाउंट ऑफ हॉस्टाइल रिसेप्शन। फाइनली ही टुक शेल्टर इन। वो उसके बाद किसमें शेल्टर करते हैं? लेते हैं पोइट्री में। In a novel of Hardy, two rivals for the same woman return to England and find that they are travelling on the train that carries her coffin. Which novel is this? कौन सा novel है? A Pair of Blue Eyes. Edgar Heath becomes a part of the conflict, potent and variable as a human character. In which novel does it appear? कौन से novel में appear हुआ है? The Return of the Native में। Who returns to Edgar Heath and decides to become a schoolmaster? Climb your bride. He wished to raise the class at the expense of the individuals rather than the individuals at the expense of the class. Who is he? कौन है? Climb your bride in the Return of the Native. What does depress me is the sight of so much pain in the world, constant pain. Whose words are these? ये words किसके हैं? हार्डी की। Who brings a goldfinch at marriage of Elizabeth Jane in the novel The Mayor of Casterbridge? कौन लाता है ये गोल्डफिंच? Hansard. In which novel a boy nicknamed Father Time hanged his little brothers and sister in a grim effort to save them from hunger and his parents from constant anxiety? Jude the Obscure. Sue is ज़्यादा क्या थी? Intellectualized. Done because we are too many. The famous line appears in, ये famous line कहाँ appear हुई है? Jude the Obscure में. To tell without a mention of words of a deadly war waged between flesh and spirit, and to point the tragedy of unfulfilled aims. I am not aware that there is nothing in the handling to which expectation can be taken. These lines appears in the preface to the first edition of, ये लाइन प्रीफेस की फर्स्ट एडिशन में अपीयर हुई है। कौन सा है? ज्यूड द ऑब्सक्योर। What has been immortalized by Hardy Wessex? The subtitle of the novel The Mayor of Casterbridge. The Mayor of Casterbridge का सबटाइटल क्या था? The story of a man of a character. The Three Marniers in appears in, Three Marniers in किसमें अपीयर होती है? द मेयर ऑफ कैस्टरब्रिज में। एबिल बैटली, मिसिस गुड इनफ एंड जोशुआ जूप आर दी माइनर कैरेक्टर इन, किसके माइनर कैरेक्टर है ये? जूड दी ऑब्सक्योर के। द स्किमटन राइड इन अ मेयर ऑफ कैस्टरब्रिज इज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड इन ऑर्डर टू डिफेम लुकेटा एंड हेंशार। Happiness is but an occasional episode in the general drama of pain. This comment of Elizabeth shows Hardy philosophy of life, which is certainly, ये कमेंट एलिजाबेथ का है जो हार्डी को शोज कराती है उसकी फिलोसफी लाइफ का। कौन सा? Pessimistic. His Wessex is the special environment of his characters whose development could not be understood without reference to it. Who comments? ये कमेंट किसका है? जेबी प्रेस्ले का। My star is what's to blame, not I. It is unanswerable. Where do these lines appear? ये लाइन कहाँ appear होती है? Hardy's The Dynasty में। I am not so exceptional a woman as you think. Fewer women like marriage than you suppose. Only they enter into it for the dignity it is assumed to confer. Who utters these words? किसके ये वर्ड? Sue Bridhead in the Jude the Obscure. And Elizabeth in brain and a Mary Stuart in spirit. This is a fit phrase for. ये फ्रेज किसके लिए फिट होता है? Bathsheba Everdeen in Far from the Maddie Crowd. Hardy calls Elizabeth Jane this flower of nature. Whose daughter is Elizabeth? Elizabeth किसकी बेटी है? सेलर न्यूसन की। Edgar is not only the scene of the tale, it dominates the plot and determines the character. It is scientist, it feels, it speaks, it slays. Whose comment is this about Edgar Heath? किसका कमेंट है एडगर हेथ के बारे में? ये डफिन का। As flies to wanton boys, so are we to the gods. They kill us for their sport. Hardy quoted these lines of Shakespeare in the preface of one of his novels. Which novel is this? हार्डी ने ये कोट शेक्सपियर के प्रीफेस, शेक्सपियर की लाइन से ली, शेक्सपियर से ली है अपने नोवेल के प्रीफेस में। कौन सा नोवेल है जिसमें ये लाइंस ली हैं? टेस्ट ऑफ द ड्यूअर विल्स में। Hardy has taken a clue from Shakespeare's famous comedy As You Like It for the title one of his novels. Which novel is this? हार्डी ने शेक्सपियर की फेमस कॉमेडी एज यू लाइक इट से क्लू लिया है। कौन सा टाइटल, कौन सा नोवेल है वो? अंडर द ग्रीनवुड ट्री। हार्डी वॉज सो मच इम्प्रेस्ड बाय ग्रेस एलिजी that he gave the title of one of his novels from one of its line. Which novel? कौन सा नोवेल है? Far from the Maddie Crowd. Imminent will is one of the characteristics of Hardy's novels. The famous tragedy of Queen of Cornwall is a drama by Hardy. Poems of the past and the present and Wessex poems are the poetic collection of Hardy. Which is an epic drama by Hardy? Hardy का कौन सा epic drama है? The Dynast. Sorrow is an illegitimate child who is born to Tess by Alice. यहाँ पर हमारा हार्डी, थॉमस हार्डी जो राइटर है वो फिनिश हो गए हैं। अब हम नेक्स्ट राइटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। टी.एस. इलियट, जिनका जन्म 1888 में हुआ, 1965 में डेथ। चलिए फिर हम इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं। When and from where did Eliot's ancestors migrate to America? In 1668 from East Coker in Somersetshire, England. In 1900 Eliot won a gold medal for in 1900 में Eliot ने गोल्ड मेडल जीता था Latin. In which university did Eliot pursue a course of study in language and literature, the classic German, French and English literature, Harvard University. Eliot was much influenced by his two teachers. Eliot अपने दो टीचर से बहुत इन्फ्लुएंस्ड थे। One of them was George सत्याना, उसमें से एक जॉर्ज सांतियाना थे। द अदर वॉज, दूसरे कौन से? आर्विंग बेविट। द रीडिंग ऑफ आर्थर सेमन्स द सिम्बॉलिस्ट मूवमेंट इन लिटरेचर क्रिएटेड हिज इंटरेस्ट इन द पोइट्री ऑफ, किसकी पोइट्री में इंटरेस्ट थे? लाफोर्ग्यू, अ फ्रेंच सिम्बलिस्ट। व्हेन डिड इलियट गेट हिज डिग्री ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन? इलियट ने अपनी डिग्री ग्रेजुएशन की कब ली? इन 1910 में फ्रॉम हार्वर्ड से। दिस इज द वे द वर्ल्ड एंड नॉट विद अ बैंग बट अ विम्पर दीज लाइन्स अपीयर। ये लाइन कहाँ अपीयर होती है? द हॉलो मैन। टाइम प्रेजेंट एंड टाइम पास्ट आर बोथ कंटेन्ड इन टाइम फ्यूचर एंड टाइम फ्यूचर कंटेन्ड इन पास्ट। वेयर डज दिस लाइन अपीयर? कहाँ अपीयर होती है ये लाइन? 4 क्वाड्रेंट में। I have given you power of choice and you only alternate between futile speculation and unconsidered acting. From which drama have these lines been taken? कौन सा ड्रामा है जिससे ये लाइन ली गई है? द रॉक। And the dead tree gives no shelter, the cricket no relief, and dry stones no sound of water. These lines appear in, ये लाइन कहाँ appear होती है? The wasteland में। Oh, the moon shone bright on Mrs. Potter, and they washed their feet in soda water. The expert is from the wasteland. Tenant of the house, thoughts of a dry brain in a dry season. These are the two last line of, ये लाइन टू लास्ट लाइन है किसकी? गैरनेशन की। जीरोनसन की, सॉरी। Who injured his own reputation by calling Eliot a minor poet of 20th century? David Duchess. Who declares himself a classicist in literature, a royalist in politics, and an Anglo-Catholic in religion. T.S. Eliot. English poetry would have had no future without the invaluable work done by Eliot. Whose opinion is this? ये opinion किसका है? Frank Kermode का. Eliot dominated the literary scene and came to be known as the Pope of Russell Square. The lamp sputtered, the lamp muttered in the dark, the lamp hummed. These musical lines appears in the poem. ये म्यूजिकल लाइंस किस पोएम में अपियर होती हैं? रैप्सोडी. Garrison is derived from the Greek word geron, which means, क्या मीन है इसका? ओल्ड. The epigraph of the poem Garronation is from one Shakespeare play. Which play? इस पोएम गैरोनेशन पोएम का एपिग्राफ शेक्सपियर के प्ले से लिया गया. कौन सा प्ले है? मेजर फॉर मेजर. इन द टाइटल सेंसी among the nightingales, the word nightingales is used as slang. Which poems? कौन सी पोएम में ये नाइटिंगल वर्ड यूज हुआ है? प्रोस्टिट्यूट्स में. टेरेसेस इन द वेस्टलैंड इज बिसेक्सुअल. Which form has been used by Eliot in the Wasteland? कौन सा फॉर्म है जो इलियट की पोएम वेस्टलैंड में यूज हुआ है? फ्री वर्स. What is of utmost importance in the plays of Eliot? Choice. Harry, Amy, Agatha, Mary are the characters whose appear in. कहाँ appear होते हैं ये कैरेक्टर? The family reunion में. To rest in our own suffering, in evasion of suffering, we must learn to suffer more. Who utters and where? कहाँ और किससे? अगाथा in the family reunions. Love couples cruelty to those who do not understand love. Where do these lines occurs? The family reunion. Amy complains and accuses her sister Agatha, saying, 35 years ago you took my husband from me and now you took my son. Where do these two sisters appear? ये दो सिस्टर कहाँ appear होती है? In family reunion में. Who has used the Greek Orsetes myth and the Greek conception of the Furies as the basis of his play, The Family Reunion? T.S. Eliot. The Family Reunion क्या है? एक पोएटिक प्ले है. Murder in Cathedral refers to the murder of the Archbishop. Who is he? कौन है वो? Thomas Becket of Canterbury. The Four Knights and the Four Tempters appears in. कहाँ appear होते हैं ये? Murder in the Cathedral. Destiny waits in the hands of God, not in the hands of statesmen. Who speaks this line? ये लाइन कौन बोलता है? The chorus. The action is suffering and suffering is action. Neither does the agent suffer nor the patient act. These words are from the mouth of the chorus. Martyrdom is the theme of. Martyrdom किसका थीम है? Murder in the Cathedral का. The plot of the cocktail party is made up two stories. Who is the connecting link between the two? Sir Henry Harcourt. Really. In which poetic play of Eliot is there no chorus or no ghost? कौन सा poetic play है जिसमें ना chorus है ना ghost है? The Cocktail Party. Two people who know they do not understand each other, breeding children whom they do not understand and who will never understand them. Where do these lines occur? कहाँ ये लाइन कहाँ से? The Cocktail Party. Edward, Lavinia, Edward, Peter, Tulip, Celia, Colston, Julia, Alex and the Guardians appears in. किसमें appears होती है? The Cocktail Party. The plot of the Cocktail Party is based on. ऑक्टल पार्टी का प्लॉट किस पे बेस्ड है? एलिस्टिस बाय यूरिपिड्स। इलियड्स द वेस्टलैंड इज डेडिकेटेड टू, इलियड की द वेस्टलैंड पोएम किसको डेडिकेट है? एजरा पाउंड, जो कि इलियड्स की फ्रेंड। Which poem was written during the autumn of 1921 in Lausanne, Switzerland, and first published in serial from the Criterion in October and November 1922? The Wasteland. Eliot has expressed his views on the impersonality of poetry and the poetic process in his essays entitled Tradition and the Individual Talent 1919. According to Eliot, perfect poetry can be produced only when there is unification of sensibility. No poet, no artist of any sort has his complete meaning alone. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? Eliot ने. The personality of an artist is a continual self-sacrifice, a continual extension of personality. This views is of किसका views है? Eliot का in Tradition and Individual Talent. The poem, according to Eliot, has no relation to the poet. The mind of the poet is the share of platinum. It may partly or exclusively operate upon the experience of the man himself, but the more perfect the artist, the more completely separate in him will be the man who suffers, and the mind which creates the more perfectly will the mind digest and transmute the passions which are its material. This extract appears in Tradition and Individual Talent. The poet's mind is a receptacle for sizing and storing up numberless feelings, phrases, images which remain there until all the particles which can unite to form a new compound are present. Who said? ये किसने कहा है? Eliot ने. The poet has not a personality to express but a particular medium, the mind, which is only a medium and not a personality, in which impressions and experiences combine in peculiar and unexpected ways. Whose words are these? कौन से वर्ड से? किसके वर्ड से ये? Eliot के. Poetry is not a turning loose of emotion but an escape from emotion. It is not the expression of personality but an escape from personality. Who defined poetry in this manner? इस manner में poetry को किसने define किया है? Eliot ने. Eliot says that a work of art should be viewed as having a life of its own, unrelated to that of its creator. Eliot wrote this in the introduction to The Scarecrow. The emotion of art, according to Eliot के according, emotion of art क्या है? Impersonal. The phrase objective correlative occurs in Eliot's one of essays in the Scarecrow. What is the name of the essay? क्या name है इस essay का? Hamlet and his problems. From which point of view does Eliot find Hamlet detective and an artist failure? Objective correlative. Shakespeare is successful in finding an objective correlative to express the emotions of these characters. Which drama is it? Macbeth. Milton Sampson Agonistes is a great success from the point of view of objective correlative. Who find Eliot's phrase the objective correlative defective? Alceo Vivas. The phrase dislocations of sensibility occurs in Eliot's The Metaphysical Poets. Tennyson and Browning are poets and they think but they do not feel their thought as immediately as the odor of a rose. A thought to Donne was an experience, it modified his sensibility. Who said? किसने कहा है? Eliot. Criticism must always profess and in view which roughly speaking appears to be the elucidation of works of art and correction of taste. Who said and where? किसने और कहाँ कहा? इलियड ने कहा in the function of criticism. What are the two chief tools of the critics according to Eliot? Comparison and analysis. The function of literary criticism to the promote the understanding and enjoyment of literature. Who said and where? किसने और कहाँ कहा है? Eliot ने in Frontiers of Criticism. Poetry is a superior amusement. I do not mean an amusement for superior people. I call it an amusement not because that it is a true definition, but because if you call it anything else, you are likely to call it something still more false. Where does this comment of Eliot appears? Eliot का ये कमेंट कहाँ अपेयर होता है? इन द प्रीफेस टू द स्केयरवुड. Who thinks that there is an element of intellectual snobbery in Eliot's criticism? George Watson. The epigraph of the words "The Wasteland" is from The Wasteland poem का एपिग्राफ कहाँ से? The Hysterion of Petronius Arbiter. Eliot has dedicated one of his poems to Ezra Pound. Name the poem. इलियट ने अपनी पोएम एजरा पाउंड को जो डेडिकेट की थी, कौन सी पोएम है? उस पोएम का क्या नाम है? द वेस्टलैंड. इलियट डिस्क्राइब्स गंगा एज. इलियट ने गंगा को कैसे डिस्क्राइब किया? सनकन. द इंडक्शन ऑफ 4 संस्कृत वर्ड्स इन द वेस्टलैंड इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम. बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद. Which month is cruelest month in the wasteland? कौन सा मंथ है वेस्टलैंड इन दी वेस्टलैंड में जो क्रूलेस्ट है? अप्रैल. मैडम सोसोस्ट्रिस फेमस कैलपुरियंटी appears in the wasteland. Those are pearls that were his eyes. Here Eliot used the lines of Shakespeare. Of which drama is line? यहाँ पर ये लाइन इलियट ने शेक्सपियर की लाइन है. कौन से ड्रामा की लाइन ली है ये शेक्सपियर की? द टेम्पेस्ट. देयर इज द स्टोरी ऑफ लिल एंड हर हस्बैंड. इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द वेस्टलैंड डज इट अपीयर? इन द सेकेंड पार्ट, अ गेम ऑफ चेस. ओ दैट शेक्सपियरियन रैग, इट इज so elegant. Where do these lines appear? ये लाइन कहाँ appear होती है? The wasteland. Twite, twite, twite. Jug, 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 jug. So rudely forced. True. Where do these lines appear? ये लाइन कहाँ appear हुई है? The wasteland. Who is the Samran merchant in the wasteland? Mr. Eugenides. CIF London document. Friends, this line is from the wasteland. What is CIF? Cost, insurance and freight. When the human engine waits like a taxi throwing waiting, who is said to be the human engine here in the wasteland? The typist girl. Exploring hands encounter no defense. In which part of the wasteland does this lines appear? द वेस्टलैंड पोएम के कौन से पार्ट में ये लाइन अपीयर हुई है? द फायर सरमन में. हु इज द फोन्सियन सेलर इन द वेस्टलैंड? फ्लेवुअस. ट्राई बोन्स कैन हार्म नो वन. इन विच पार्ट ऑफ द वेस्टलैंड डज दिस लाइन अपीयर? व्हाट द थंडर सैड. दत्ता दया धावन दमयता शांति 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 are the words used by Eliot. Of which language are these words? Are Sanskrit. In the wasteland the Himalayas are said to be हिमावंत. वेस्टलैंड में हिमालय को हिमावंत बोला है. Indeed so deeply I am indebted. Miss Weston's book will elucidate the difficulties of the poem much better than any notes can do, and I recommend it to any who thinks such elucidation of the poem worth the trouble. About which book of Miss Weston to Eliot talking from ritual to romance. Besides Miss Weston's ritual to romance, Eliot innovated to another work of anthropology. Which work? कौन सा वर्क है? The Golden Work. Eliot is innovated towards the golden work, and other is Adonis, Attis, Osiris. What is the meaning of Il Miglior Fabbro? The better craftsman. The title The Game of Chess is derived from a play by किसके कौन से प्ले से लिया गया है? थॉमस मिडल्टन के. Eliot's grandfather was a Unitarian clergyman whose religious zeal brought him to St. Louis in 1834. What is the name of Eliot's grandfather? Eliot के grandfather का क्या नाम था? William Greenleaf Eliot. Eliot's father suffered the guilt of not having become a clergyman. In this year, Eliot became a British subject. He was also confirmed in the Anglican Church during this year. The year is 1927. Eliot received a solid classical education at Smith Academy in St. Louis. In preparation for his entrance to Harvard in 1906, Eliot attended Milton Academy in Massachusetts. Eliot followed the lead of Arthur Symons' The Symbolist Movement in Literature. 1899, he read the French symbolist. One French symbolist was his favorite. What is his name? Jules Laforgue. Eliot was awarded a Seldom Travelling Fellowship in 1914. He planned to travel on the continent, then to take up residence at Martin College, Oxford, to write his thesis. He was writing his thesis on F. H. Bradley. He went to Marburg, Germany for a summer program in philosophy, but left after 2 weeks because war was imminent. When did he go to Marburg? In July 1914. Who introduced Eliot to Ezra Pound? Who became the most influential literary influence in his life? Conrad Aiken. Who is the author of the book Ezra Pound, His Metric and Poetry? Ezra Pound की बुक के ऑथर कौन थे? His Metric and Poetry के? T.S. Eliot. Eliot's first wife was Vivian. He was separated from in 1932. Eliot की फर्स्ट वाइफ विवेन थी और वो 1932 में सेपरेट हुई. शी सफर्ड फ्रॉम, वो किससे सफर कर रही थी? मेंटल इलनेस से. ऑन जनवरी 10, 1957, Eliot मैरिड Valeria Fletcher. She worked for him for 8 years. Eliot ने दूसरी शादी की वैलरी फ्लेचर से इन 10 जनवरी 1957 में, और उन्होंने उनके साथ 8 ईयर वर्क काम किया. वेयर डिड शी वर्क? कहाँ पर वो काम करती थी? फेवर एंड फेवर. दिस प्लेज अबाउट द sin of parents and expectation of by their successor. Name this play. The Family Reunion. Which play deals with the questions of mutual understanding of husband-wife? The Cocktail Party. Which the use of poetry and the use of criticism after strained chords and notes toward and definition of culture are the works of Eliot. Although logos is common to all, most people lives if they had a wisdom of their own. The way upward and the way downward are the same Heraclitus. T.S. Eliot used this expert as epigraph for one of his poems. Name the poem. 4 Quartets. हेलेन गार्डनर, मॉरिस वेट्स, एफओ मैथिसन, ह्यू कैनर, डेनिस डेंग्यू, Donald J. Childs, or David Modi are the name of some critics who worked on the works of Eliot. Helen Gardner wrote a book on Eliot. Name the book. हेलन गार्डनर ने इलियट पर एक बुक लिखी, उस बुक का क्या नेम था? द आर्ट ऑफ टी.एस. इलियट. Which poet's epitaph reads, the communication of the dead is tongued with fire beyond the language of the living. In my beginning is my end, in my end is my beginning. From 4 quartets, East Coker. T.S. Eliot. थैंक यू गाइस, मेरे साथ एंड तक बने रहने के लिए. हमने आज टू राइटर को कवर कर लिया है. नेक्स्ट राइटर को हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, मेरे चैनल को फॉलो करें और अपनी राय कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर दें.